Today, Peter Rabbit turned 131 years old. You're looking pretty good for your age, buddy. Today when I picked up my little one from school, I told her that I saw online that it was Peter Rabbit's birthday, and she instantly had a great idea. She said, "We need to make him cake, and we need to throw him a party." I agree. Peter Rabbit is Beatrix Potter's most beloved literary creation. She named him for her own pet rabbit that she had when she was a little girl. She first wrote The Tale of Peter Rabbit in 1893 and sent it as a letter to a little boy named Noel Moore. He was 5 years old, and he was the son of Beatrix Potter's former governess. Little Noel wasn't feeling very well, so Potter wrote the story and drew some pictures to help cheer him up while he was resting in bed. The book was properly published in 1903 and was a smash hit. Beatrix Potter's Peter Rabbit stories have sold over 150 million copies and been published in 35 languages. He's a character well worth celebrating, so let's go make some cake. Whose birthday is it today?
Peter Rabbit.
What should we do?
We shall bake some cake.
That's a great idea. But what kind of cake?
Carrot cake.
Carrot cake for Peter Rabbit's birthday.
He's going to look after the sugar. We're looking at our recipe.
All right. So is that what we're going to make?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, carrot cake.
Carrot cake is pretty good, huh?
Yeah, I love carrot cake.
I love carrot cake too. Hey, Peter, do you love carrot cake? Does that mean yes?
Yes.
Oh, good.
It's going to help us.
Zuma's going to help us. Thank you, Zuma.
Can I do it now?
Mm-hmm.
Zuma's going to help us chop the carrots. My turn to chop the carrot. It's Zuma's turn to chop the carrot.
Okay. Zuma, you do it. Zuma, you do it on your own.
He did it.
Very good.
Your cake is going to be turned into a real cake, not just carrots.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, I got some on here as well.
That's okay. That's okay. That's how you learn. Just shake your hands in the bowl. Just give it a little shake. That's all right. Do you want to do the next one?
No, I'm doing it.
All right, go for it. Oh! I mean, that's one way to get it done.
Yeah. Oh, you don't need that.
No, you're right, we don't. Would you like to do the sugar?
Yeah, I want some sugar. I'll just stir it again. This will taste tasty
It will be tasty.
since it's nice and sugary. I love sugar things.
Yeah, sugar's pretty nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Ooh. That went right up to my nose.
There you go. And give it a little tap tap to make sure you get it all out. Good job. Pour it in.
Brr. Oh, this smells so good.
Right?
Yeah.
I like to put raisins in my carrot cake. Do you want raisins?
No.
No? Okay, that's all right. No raisins.
Sugar. You can't see the carrot.
Should we put them in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about my one?
Oh, yes.
This one looks good.
Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather some, where did they go?
Blackberry.
Blackberries.
We love blackberries.
Oh, hello.
I want some.
Bunny Island.
Happy birthday, dear Peter.
Rabbit. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Eat the cakes, eat the cakes, eat the cakes.
Oh, it would be good.
Whether it's at home or in the classroom, you can help kids celebrate the birthdays of their favorite literary characters. It could be the publication birthday, as in the day the book was put into the world, or sometimes characters do have a fictional birth date. Either way, it's a great excuse to have a party and have some tasty treats.